Today I'm going to show you how to take apart a Sprite and add these bats to your zombie animation so that it could look like the bat is flying. I have brought the Sprite in and I rasterized the layer. I'm now going to click my magic wand and I'm going to click the first one. Once it's selected, I'm going to hit on my keyboard, Command C. I'm going to go to my zombie layer, my zombie animation. I'm now going to create a new layer, and I'm going to call this Bat 1. And I'm going to bring in, now once I'm on that layer, it's highlighted, I'm going to press Command V, and my bat is brought in. And you see it's in the center. I'm going to bring it up to the left. Now I'm going to go back to my Sprite, and I'm now just going to click my magic wand again, and I'm going to click, and it's just going to get highlighted. I'm going to press Command C. I'm going to go back to my animation. I'm going to create a new layer, and I'm going to call that Bat 2. And I'm going to make sure it's highlighted, that layer, and I'm going to press Command V, and now my bat is brought in. And now I can click my move tool and then move the bat to where I want it. And then we're going to go back to our Sprite. I'm going to deselect, and I'm going to click my magic wand, and I'm going to go to Command C. I'm going to go back to my zombie, and I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to call this Bat 3. And with this bat, when I bring it in, if you see it's here, I'm going to click my move tool. And then I'm going to bring it here. But as bats go in and out and they fly, you want to make it look like it's getting larger as it's coming towards you. And then when it goes back farther away, it could be smaller. So right now, I'm just going to go to Edit, Transform, and Scale. And I'm just going to make this bat a little bit bigger. And I'm going to move it so that it looks like it's coming towards us. And I'm going to click Done, or you can hit Return. So now when I go back to my Sprite, I'm going to deselect, go to my magic wand, and I'm going to pick the next one. Command C. Go back to my animation, new layer, Bat 4. And now I'm going to bring that bat in. And once we're on that, I'm going to press Command V. The bat's brought back in. I'm going to move it. You can even make it go down here. Again, I'm going to go to Edit, Transform, Scale. Just going to make it a little bit smaller. And hit Return or Done. You're going to keep on repeating these steps of the bats until they go across your screen in the animation. So you're just selecting with your magic wand. You're pressing Command C on your keyboard. You're going back to your animation. You're creating a new layer. Each time you're calling it a different number. So this is Bat 5. Then you're going to make sure you're on your move tool and deselect that just in case. And we're going to go here. Now we're on the Bat 5 layer. We're going to press Command V, and now we have our bat. You can do this for as many times as you need to with all the different bats from the Sprite. But if you see the movement of the bat, it goes through it flying in the air, so that once you play it in your animation, you could see. So right here, this would be the first bat, which would only be Bat 1. This would be bat 2. This would be bat 3. This would be bat 4. This would be bat 5. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial.